One of the most common support calls we receive is from end users who have forgotten their password and require it to be reset. This common issue can be quickly resolved by a user who is an admin or has info admin user rights. Simply select the user profile menu and then go to Administration, Users, and either enter part of the user details or click Find. Select the user who needs their password resetting and then click Change. Finally, type in a new password into the password box. It is also best practice to update the field Change Password at Next Login to True. This forces the user to set a new password next time they log in, so they don't continue to use the password you provided. Once the details are entered, click Save. The next time the user logs in, they will be asked to enter in the password you provided and to select a new password to use. When they have entered the password you provided and their new selected password, click Log On to access the system. I hope you have found this brief tutorial interesting. For more tutorials, check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.